Okay, I'm gonna do one final structured English example of a sprite, but this time it's a sprite that's got parameters. So these things up here, values that we pass to a subroutine so that we can make it do different things. This is taken from my 3D stars code that's in another video. So I'm just gonna load up Word. Let's get it to an appropriate place. Let's get it over on that side. Okay, so this is going to be structured. So I'm going to say structured English. Let's zoom that out. Structured English for star. X V Y V Z V. So I'm putting the parameters in this time. Now you'll see that I've got a bit of code here. I've got the paragraph markers on, so I'm going to leave those on for now because I like working with those when I'm in Word anyway. Right, so I'm going to start off, create sprite, define the frame. So create frame. Well, let's use define. Define frame as single white pixel. Okay, now this next bit, fade the colour. So let's just look at it. So fade the colour, or the alpha, between 5000 and minus 5000. So set alpha fade. How you word this is up to you. So alpha fade between 5000 and minus 5000. Again, the programmer will read that and say, oh yeah, I know how to do that. I'll use that auto colour fade on bit. But we don't care. This is structured English. It's just saying what we want to happen. Right, set the position of the sprite. So I'm just leaving set position 2 400 300 and minus 4999. Okay, and then I need to set the velocity. So set velocity, and there's 3 different velocities, and they're based on these parameters to xv, yv, zv, and then I'm going to say kill once past viewport, and that is it. That's what that does. What you've got to remember is it's important, whether you do this as pseudocode or as structured English, that you put the names in for the parameters that you use and make sure they're used correctly in the code. Don't just change these, that's what they are. Okay. Again, it's up to the programmer to worry about the types. We've got floats, but we don't care when we're doing designs on that unless it's a specific reason why we need to. So the programmer will go, oh god, they've got to be floats, and when they program it, they'll set that up properly. Okay, so highlight all that, put our paragraph border around, just tidy it. Okay, take paragraph marks off if you don't like them. And that's that. And that's one with parameters. Okay.